What's going on, crypto friends? Real quick, YouTube, man, we got an amazing morning today. We are in the hour time frame. We are in this resistance zone. Bitcoin has been holding this trend line. We are going higher, but look at Ethereum. Boom. Solana, decent, but Ethereum's been really booming. Sui broke above this resistance. We're about to see what it does now. This could shoot up higher. Um, XRP doing amazing. We got some really good news. So the interest rates haven't come out yet. It is still not till what, 3 more hours. Yeah, so we got a little ways, but the Ethereum network is booming. Let me just do this to give you a representation of what's going on. So Bitcoin dominance is dumping down. We are in a key little level right now, so let's see what happens. Boom. Let's see what happens at that line. Ethereum dominance reaching 9%. It is booming. Solana 2.5 almost. XRP, look at that, ripping right now. The others, total. Stable coins dropping. Total market cap just broke resistance. We are looking very fucking good right now, boys. Very good. So, what is going on in the market, right? So that's what we're going to talk about. Let's look at Ondo, Injective. So, for one thing, XRP had their XRP, the court case is over with now. Okay. So that's done right here. Today, CEO announced that the SEC will ban its appeal. We already knew this was coming. We already knew, but dude, just thank God it's finally, happened, So we see markets going really well. I don't think we're going to get a rate cut today. I mean, I'm just being honest. I'll be honest. I don't think it will. And then, let's see. There is a few other. They are talking about quantitative easing, meaning that we start putting more money into assets like the government. Oh wow, the JFK files was released. Something I'm gonna have to dive into later. So yeah. I can't wait for the day Bitcoin hits a million. This dude is such a clown, dude. Don't even get me started. Look at that. Tether mints 1 billion USDT on Tron network. Ethereum's $2,000 milestone market reactions all season. Experiences. There's discussion. Are we beginning the alt season? I don't know. It's way too early to call all that shit. But today, I guarantee the numbers are showing more of an alt season. I guarantee it today. But I mean, that doesn't mean that we're in an altcoin rally today. Or, I mean, from here on out. You know what I mean? Like, sure, we could be today, but where's CoinGecko? Why the fuck is it not up on my thing? Okay. So, you look here. I thought that they added it. Maybe they didn't. Yeah, dude, fucking telling you right now, everybody, Ethereum's network is killing it today. Artificial intelligence. Liquid intelligence. What is this? This is a new coin. It's AI agents on Ethereum network. Oh my gosh. Dude, they are not gonna stop with that shit. It's just ChatGPT and you order it to do so. Okay, fear and greed, that's 23%. Altcoin season, 21 out of 100. Yeah, we're not quite. It's way too easy, or way too early to call that. So, the big thing though, everybody, is, oh yeah, I did see something about this EOS token. I don't even, Volta. Web3 banking. Huh. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into this some more. I'm not, familiar with it too much, so I'm not gonna sit here and act like I am. I really don't know what it all is. Let's go to the about section. Open source platform. Yeah, I mean, this all sounds good. I remember when I first got into crypto. I'm gonna be real with you, man. And I want to say this so you guys are aware of it. And let's just click on a RAM token. I remember seeing a new token, and I go down to the about section. Oh, Bubble Maps is secured significant financial backing, raising $3 million 2023. Additional, the protocols, traditional funds. These funds can be, like a bank on Web3. And I'd read this shit, and I'd be like, oh my God, this sounds so amazing, and buy some. Every token, if you don't know what you're reading, well, first off, you're going to reread probably the same thing on about 50 different tokens. They're just going to word it a little differently, make it sound good. And, I'm a salesman at heart. Well, I mean, I love crypto and I love day trading. That's my goal, is to only do that and teach others how to do it and help you guys. But I'm not there yet fully. Yeah, I trade full time for myself, but I'm talking about like education, YouTube, TikTok, helping others. That's my goal. And I also, I'm still not making the money that I want to make in trading yet. Like, I'm still, I'm 3-4 years into this. And like, yeah, I've finally had an aha moments and like, am confident in myself now, but I still am on a journey, just like you guys, okay? Like, I'm not driving around in Ferraris, fucking driving around Beverly, in California with a Ferrari, fucking buy my course, I'm a douche, you know what I mean? Fucking douchebags trying to say that you'll drive Ferraris in 2 days after you learn day trading, only from them though. And here's the catch. Anyone can do it. And it's like, dude, if you guys can print money in the markets that easily, why would you be telling everyone how to do it? Like, really think about that, guys. I'm not saying don't get a mentor or coach and pay, I still to this day pay for mentors for coaching on trading. And I also have a mentor when it comes to the business outside of this for I sell used cars. I have my own business selling used cars. I have a mentor. I have 2 mentors when it comes to that world. When it comes to day trading, yes, I have 2 different mentors, and I pay for this education. I pay for people's coaching. I pay for people's time. Like, yeah, my YouTube channel, I do this for free to help you guys. I'm trying to build something and build a brand. But at the end of the day, for anyone out there that thinks that they never have to, they can just get everything from YouTube. They don't need to pay a dollar for any education. Let me ask you this. How good are your results right now? Really ask you, be really honest with yourself, right? Then be real with yourself. Have you ever paid for a book? Have you ever paid? I mean, dude, like, the fact that people think they're above paying to level yourself up. Dude, my coaching, one of my mentors in trading, right? This dude has spent over 100K in the last couple of years just on mentors to level him up, because he's already at an extremely high level, right? In trading, investing, and in education, helping people, teach them. He's been all over the world, taught, multimillionaire, 28 years old, 100% real, no bullshit, really trades, like really real deal trades, right? Good friend of mine that I met in the trading world. Anyways, what I'm getting at is this dude is still paying unbelievable amounts to level him up to the next level, because he's already way up here. So now when you get into that, most people that won't even, like, if they were at where he's at, they'd think, oh, they got it all figured out. There's nothing else they can learn. That is the shit that will fuck you up. If you are so closed-minded that you think you know everything and that there's nothing else to learn and that you don't need anyone's help, that's closed-minded, and it'll only get you can get somewhere, but you'll only get so far. That's all I'm trying to say. That's not what this whole video is about. But I did have a conversation with someone that wanted to learn how to trade just recently. We sat down and instantly I could just tell that's where his mind was at. And I had to break it down to him and just make it, it's crazy to me. It's like people asking me that have no money invested in anything, what should I invest in? Well, I think you should invest in yourself. I only have $1,000. Well, put that $1,000, maybe 500 of it into Bitcoin. The other 500, buy into educating yourself on how to make real money outside of whatever you're doing right now. How to get out of what you're not, like, you're somewhere you don't want to be, working somewhere you don't want to work. How do you get out of that? Okay, well, let's put the money into the education to get you out of there. Because guess what? Obviously, it's not working right now, right? You don't like the results you got. You're completely lost and you don't know where to go. That's all I'm trying to say. The best investment is in yourself. The fucking top people in any industry, guess what? They paid for mentors and coaches. So if you are so closed-minded that you think you don't ever need a mentor or coach to guide you in any direction or help you or teach you anything, you already told me that you're just way too closed-minded. But I'm not even sitting here selling you nothing. But I'm just wanting to point out the fact that everyone can always learn more, and coaches and mentors are very, very important. That's all I'm trying to say. But let's get back to it, guys. Please like, subscribe, follow, comment. I always answer. Also follow me on X and TikTok at All In with Mitch, just like on YouTube, all one word. I appreciate the follows. So Bitcoin right now, boys and girls, it is in that spot, right? It is in the area of resistance. Now the question is, do we want to short this? I mean, really think about it. This money flow is very strong to the upside. And we go down to the 15-minute. It's strong, okay? I don't think it would be smart to short this right now. I am not going to. I put the idea up right here because if it wants to break and then retest, so we're saying come down here and we're breaking all this support, then come up, then it could possibly be a good idea. But here's the catch is, well, Alex, what about this support level? What if it just, I mean, this is crypto. It loves to swipe a lot of liquidity. Yes, you're right. So we might just be going for the long to break the bigger resistance up top. And that's more likely what the scenario will probably be. I don't know, because like interest rates are coming at 11 o'clock. We already know it's a very bullish event every time. Or I mean, a very high volume event. It could be bullish or bearish, sorry. But here's the thing is, we don't know which way it's going to go, but we're going to show you this again for the second time. We are more than likely 99% chance to stay where exactly we're at, 425 to 450 basis points. It's a 1% chance that we'll cut rates just a little bit to 400 to 425. It would be amazing if we just cut rates. It would be insane if we did. It just would not, it would just shock everybody. It would be great. It would be super bullish if it happens. But I just don't see it today. I really don't. And I think everyone that is in this world also agrees they don't see it today. It's just a little too early. All right. A little too early. And it sucks. I will admit, I woke up a little late today. I did not get in any setups. So that's where I'm at. We got hit yesterday on this one. I wasn't home, wasn't at the computer. In fact, I mean, I just don't see this. We'll see what happens when we get up to 84,500. I mean, it really is crucial what happens in the next few minutes. Ethereum, SUI, and XRP is always on my radar, obviously. Those are my top traded coins. I really wish I was in some longs last night. These things, or even got up at 5 and took a long. This is crazy how much is pumped, you know? It is what it is, you know? You can't FOMO. I'm happy I'm making this video because it's like I'm not in any... I'm in a late entry on whatever it was. It's not a big deal. On Chainlink, actually. But it's a late entry down here on the dip. But, you know, it's not... This is a great lesson about FOMO, okay? We obviously see this huge pump. We missed it. Or maybe, hopefully you didn't miss it. But I'm just saying, like, let's just... We're talking about in my shoes right now. Obviously, I missed it. Obviously, I think it might pump some more. But this is not an entry zone. This is not, like, if anything, on Bitcoin, it could be a short if it doesn't break this resistance. But it's not an entry to go long. I mean, I'm not going to take a short. I'm just saying there's no long entry right now. You would be insane to like, yes, well, Alex, what about the break the break retest? Yes, we could do that. Or what about the breakout strategy? I mean, right now I don't think we have that much volume to... I think now the market's going to chill. Probably going to come maybe back down to this level, which is a fib. And, you know, there's some support there. And over here, but it's not strong. I mean, I'd rather see it come down. I mean, now we can actually change the fib also, because we did go higher. We could fib to here now, which then changes a lot. I would prefer this 382. Let's mark this up. I'd prefer this, you know, the break, the retest, but we didn't. I want to really, what I want to see, I need to see it break this. Like, do you guys understand how close we are to really showing that we're bullish again? We're very close. Like, But lately, let's be real. I mean, dude, in 2.5 hours, there's a 99% chance that they're going to come out, say that rates didn't change, and then we drop because it's not, like we might have already priced in the day, and then we just drop because the rates don't cut. That's a high probability that we will drop at 11 o'clock Pacific because the rates don't change. Sure, I'd like to see it come down into here, and then we go for a long down into this base rally. So I would, like to see this get filled and then ran higher. But right now, there's nothing to just jump into. You'd be kind of insane to do that right now. You know what I mean? It wouldn't be smart, I can tell you that. So, Fetch AI, Aerodrome ran pretty good because you guys gotta remember all the Caspa ran decent, all of the Uniswap's up, all the Ethereum based tokens are doing very well, right? Even TON is back up to 370. That's great. AR, File, Aave. And we did call it this Aave idea. And it's doing great so far. That is a huge stop loss. I mean, we could just go under here. I'm not in this, but I do think this can definitely play out. I'm not doubting this trade at all. It's a 1 to 5. This is more of a swing trade idea. But I would like to see it break above here before I really enter. Render Ondo. Ondo's looking great. See this little trend line that we made. We already broke above that, so this is useless. Yeah, the long more so up here. We broke above this. We already did that. And we are doing fairly well now. But another thing about Ondo right now, same thing. Can we get above this resistance? This has kind of been the name of the game. But here's the thing is we have been breaking above little bits of resistance, breaking above. And we're climbing higher, right? Like I did try shorting yesterday. I got hit. Well, I mean, I got in and out. I closed early. If you guys watched the video yesterday, we shorted ETH. It did play out. We didn't get the full take profit zone. I closed it early. I was out on the go, moving a bunch of cars from point A to point B. If you look at my TikTok, I actually posted a video of the car. One of the cars, sorry, that I was moving yesterday. Is a 90 Cadillac Mac Daddy Caddy special 60 special, whatever it's called. It had 60,000 miles, original miles. Did this thing in pristine condition. And I posted a little video on TikTok about me driving it. It nostalgic, yeah, that's it. I mean, it brings back memories of the 90s, man. That's the era I was born, decade I was born. I'm a 90s baby. Bobcat's waking up. I mean, everything's waking up, you know what I mean? Everything's waking up a bit. I do want to see more from Bonk, man. It's been lagging. Doge and Shiba is not really doing too well. I mean, really, yeah, we're getting a reaction on the Bitcoin dominance. ETH, everything's going to slow down till 11 o'clock. So Oh wait, I want to look at curve. So mobile. Curve, there we go. Curve's been doing really good. So, everybody, we are going to end this video. I'm gonna go live on TikTok. Please like, subscribe, follow on the YouTube page. I'm really trying to get you guys good information every day. I would like to go live on YouTube every day, but I need more subscribers before it's even worth doing. Wow, Uniswap broke the resistance here. And now we could try to see if we can get a break and retest to go higher. Chainlink is in extremely high resistance now. Let's actually put this here. We're in a red zone. But we're going to see what it does. We're going to make our base, our floor, and our ceiling up here. So you just don't want to trade in between. And it is calling a strong high, so I might have to close the trade because, I mean, but we did break structure here and here, right? We broke this. I think we're going to break this. I really do. I do think there's going to be some reaction and a pullback, but I do think we're still going to break it. Right now, everything's starting to look like it's slowing down. Ethereum's just killing it though. But that's what I'm saying is I think we're going to wait for the interest rate news. 11 o'clock. It's going to be a little bit of a wait. We probably will get a little pullback and then maybe we'll go higher. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to close this up and get it ready. I'm going to post it right now. I appreciate you guys. If you want to see me live on TikTok, come join in. All in with Mitch. Come see me. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day.